I'd like to rate 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Yes.
Do'stlar, hozir indoneziyalik o'rtog'imga Green Nashvasini qo'yib bermoqchiman. O'zbekistonning eng mashhur qo'shig'idir. Rate 1 to 10, okay?
Okay.
Jonginam yuraverdi, nega badanim titraydi, mushukka tarqamaydi, sani qalbing sezmaydi.
Rate 1 to 10.
I'd like to rate 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Yes.
Really?
Yes, the instrument's quite banger. Maybe I should hear more. When I'm in the hotel, I should hear more.
Green 71 yoqdi bratimga. Golden'da Rostam akasining zo'r qo'shig'ini qo'yib berish payti keldi.
Eng zo'r qo'shiq nominatsiyasiga Jahongir Otajonov Oliy dunyo qo'shig'ini tanladim. Okay, listen and rate 1 to 10.
Nine. Yes. 9 out of 10.
10 dan 9 qo'ydilar Jahongir Otajonovga, lekin Green 71 ham menimcha xato bo'lmasin shu borada deb yoqtirdilar xullas. This is the really good music in Uzbekistan. Most popular singer.
Okay.
You like it, yeah?
Yes, I like it.
Thank you, bro.